In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to calculate the percentage of your marks using a simple calculator. So let's get started. Method 1. Using the percentage button. Let's say you scored 270 marks out of 500. Clear everything on the calculator. Type 270. Press the divide button. Enter your total marks, which is 500. Now press the percentage button. As soon as you press the percentage button, you'll get your answer, 54%. Method 2. Dividing by the first digit. Again, you scored 270 out of 500. This method is very quick. Type 270. Press divide. Instead of entering 500, you only enter the first digit of the total marks, which is 5. Press the equal button. You will again get your answer, 54%. This method works when your total marks are in the hundreds. Method 3. Divide and then multiply by 100. This method is a bit longer but very common. Type 270, press divide, and enter 500. Then press multiply, and type 100. Press the equal button. And once again, the result is 54%. In this method, percentage equals obtained marks divided by total marks times 100. So guys, these were the 3 easy ways to calculate the percentage of your marks using a simple calculator. You can use any of these methods, whichever feels more comfortable for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.